do just I'm going to show you that how to create a blank solution. Okay, so instead of that we will start looking on that only. Okay, so first go in your Microsoft Visual Studio 2010 or 2013.
So 10 is installed in my system.
Yeah, run as administrator. Better to run as administrator, it is not mandatory. If you maybe it will not create any problem for you. Okay, so now it is you are going to create a new project. So first select in which version you means which language you want. Visual C has or C sharp, or if you want to choose on any another Visual Basic, then you can. Okay, so just C sharp we are selecting, and after that for first learning it is better to go with the console application. So but I want to create a applications means you can say container. Okay, so first we'll go with to create a blank solutions. Okay, I'm giving name as Badri dot training. Okay, and here name will be training. Okay, look here, this is your blank solutions get created. No project is added here. Okay, blank solution is created. Now you can add multiple projects. So what is the benefit of it? Benefit of it that you will get a one solution file. Okay, if you go here in same path D and find here training, so look here, only one path is there. Okay, if you want you can open with some different folder, and so just I'm going to open into Notepad. Okay, so look here, what Microsoft Visual Studio solution file it is. It is solution file. So global section, global properties, breach solutions, hide solution, false. Okay, and end global. So this is the something. It is the globally. Okay, so it global file which hold all the application, whatever you are going to add new projects. Okay, so let's see if we are going to add a new project here. Okay, add, we can new item, oh sorry, not new item, we are going to add first add new project. So what we can do, just we are taking new projects, C sharp training, sorry, we want to keep the same name. Okay, it is not mandatory, but for naming convention, yes, C sharp basic. Okay, C sharp basic. So now this is a console application, whatever we have created. Okay, console application holds program files, one program.cs. In this program.cs we have main, okay, static main, string and argument. Okay, this is the main entry point, because this is the compiler know from where I have to start. It needs some starting point. Without a starting point, it cannot start. So main is the starting point. Okay, whatever you can write it here, it will be executed. Okay, first, because it will become first here, then only it will be moved to any another place. Okay,
So later if you create new projects also it will come here and then it will pass here.
try to understand. Project is different. Project is different, and in project files are different. Programming files are different. Look here, this is the program.cs. This is the program files of our badritraining.c# basic. Okay,
So that is project. Badri training feature
project.
Project holds files.
Yeah, project hold files and project holds assemblies. So look here, these are the assemblies which are required to run this application. Okay, these are the application assembly which is required to run this application. And this is the properties. Properties hold assemblies info. Already I told you that when you are creating any project, it will be converted into assembly. So this assembly needs some information. Okay, so what is the information? So look here, assembly title is Badri Training C# basic. Assembly descriptions you can give. Let's say that if I this project holds holds all basic features of C#. Okay, so now this is the assembly configuration. If we have any configuration, then we can give it here. Assembly company will be your brum.it solution. Okay, now this is the copyright. Okay, and assembly trademark if we have, assembly culture if we have. So this is the assembly information, and based on this GUID, okay, good, only it will becomes unique, because this is the unique GUID. This is the unique good which make it unique in any assembly.
Project this will be unique.
Yes, and this is the com visual, means component visual equals to false, means this is false here, because this is not the part of the com. Okay, assembly version if you want you can change, assembly file version if you want you can change. Okay, so this is three things need to know. One is the assembly information. If you want you can do the modification based on your company rules and regulations. Next is the reference. Reference will hold another assembly information, okay, which is required to run this application. Currently we have Microsoft C#. It means that this is provided by Microsoft system code, system data. These all are provided from the Microsoft only. Right now we do not have any external reference. Okay, and this is the program file. In program file, main is the entry point of this project. Main is the entry point of this project. Not only this, for every project having main. Okay,
So this is specific to this project.
yes, Okay, so now first run this application. What is happening? It will be not happen anything because we have not given any command, nothing. Look, okay, so now just I want to print India is my country, so we will do console dot write line, console dot write line. Okay, console means this whatever window command it is getting on, DOS command. Okay, that is the console where you are going to write, that is the write line. Okay, so India is my country. India is my. Now we can say console. If you are going to write, then you want to read also. So read line, or you can set it. Okay.
If we don't complete this read line.
Okay. So let's see that if you are not doing, if you are not giving read line, then what is going to happen? Just see.
It came and went.
Yes, because you told them to write only,
Okay.
not to read. Now you are giving read line, so it will stay there. Now you can read. Okay.
Okay, C# output will be displayed in the DOS.
Yes, this is the console application. We have multiple applications, so we are not going on ASP.NET application right now. We will be just trying to get your logic on console application. Okay, then we will move into ASP.NET application. Okay, so console.writeLine, India is my country. Now this console, from where this console is coming on, because system need to know. Okay, so look here, this is the part of your system.console. Let's see just what you can do. Just you remove this all. Sorry, just think. Go to and remove unused. Removed unused. What I did, just right click, organize using, and remove unused. So just I remove, it is not used. If it is not in use, then why I will keep it up. Okay, so just I make it, I removed it. Now if you remove this, then let's see that what is happening. Just try to build this application. Are you able to build? What it is saying?
The name console does not exist in the current content.
Yes, because console is coming from some other DLL or from other assembly. It is not your part of your assembly because you have not did anything for console. So console is the part of another DLL or assembly. So from which assembly it is coming on? System. Now look, it has start working. So if you are getting any error, it means that you have to give proper name and you have to give your proper assembly name. Okay, each and one you have to give the assembly name. Now if you want to see that from where it is coming on, go to definition. Look here, what is the namespace? Namespace is system. So yes, and what the namespace is holding? What is the namespace is holding? Look here, it is holding class. This is the class. So which class it is holding? Console class. So namespace can hold class, multiple classes, multiple methods. Okay, means methods. Class is going to hold the methods. Okay. So in this way, look here. So when you are saying that console, so this is the static class. This is the static class. And here look, background, buffer height, buffer width, caps lock, cursor left, all these features are available in your console only. Look, all these features, look here, right line is there, is there.
Console is nothing but inbuilt.
Console is a class which is in system namespace, and it is a DLL or assembly. Look here, system is here. If you want to see the path, you can see the path as well. Look, this is the path. So if you want to go to that place, just go and see that. Look, here you will get system. Getting system. So from there it is referred. So what is the path here? Path is just look here. C program files, 86 reference assemblies, Microsoft framework, .NET framework, V 4.0 and profile client. Getting? So these all assemblies are coming from here. If you want, you can put it some other place also, or you can refer from that place also. But it is better to keep in assembly, because otherwise you have to, every time you have to do it, okay, and you have to do lot of things. So don't disturb it. So look here, each and every files, if you find other file also, so this is here it is. Look where it is, in same location. So all the files are DLL files are there. Once look here, all the files are there. So these all are assemblies. These all are assemblies. And you have to use this assembly for your own purpose. So this assembly is given by Microsoft. So you use this assembly and you extract all the methods and do whatever you want to do. Let's see. Now if I want to give any another things, then look here. Read line, read key, read, everything is coming or not? Coming? Look, everything you are getting?
At that time.
Yes. So these all are the methods. So now after that, when you run this application, you will get India is my country. Getting?
But there were other using systems all this time.
Using? Yeah, you are saying that I want to use this system.
Before this, there were some more lines using.
That is not your. You have written, you have created this only. This is the system file. This is the system file. Means it is coming from here, from that file, and that DLL. So what they have written, whatever the method they have exposed. So just you can go and see it here that what are the methods they have exposed. Okay. Now the question is, I want this in some different way. So what I can do, I can just say a string str equals to India is my country. Okay, and now instead of this I am going to pass str. Okay, look, you will get the same output.
Then what will be the problems?
Here you are making hard coded. This str may come from any other place also, from any other method also, and you are passing this. Okay, so this one is good now. What is the responsibility of main then? This, to print this str.
STR
If
means star.
str, this is the string.
String.
Okay, so this is the responsibility of main to print this str, means this string value to the console.write line. He never bothered that from where it is getting. Now what I will do, I will write a private static and get string. Look, get is a verb. Get means get, static, and here I am saying string. Okay, so look here, return India is my country. Okay, so what I can do, I'm just deleting this part. Equals to okay,
Why static we need to enter here?
just try to remove it and try to build it, you will find. Look here, object reference is required for non-static field. Okay, method or property Badri, this is this get string. So if it is static, then you have to give the static here. We will come later on that what the static will do. Just try it. Okay, so now run this. Still you are getting.
So different way of writing.
Yes, so there are a lot of way to write a code. Here it is in method. Now just what I can do, I will call directly this one also. Let's see that what is happening. How many times it will, what will be output?
In India's country. Twice it will come.
Yes, twice it will become good. Look. Okay. So in this way, just I'm going to, this is the summary.
I mean, rather than writing two methods to get the twice India is my country, can't we mention somewhere like display twice?
You come again.
Rather than writing two methods to display two outputs, India is my country, two lines it display. Rather than that, can we enter something here saying display twice?
Display twice. No. You have to write. If you want, you have to write your methods. Okay. So now you can see. So look here. This is the summary. Okay. So what is your returning? So return will be our string. I'm returning a string. So this method will return string. Okay, done. Now I want that I will pass two number. I will pass two number and it will be return me addition, subtraction, deletions, whatever it is. Okay, division. So just what I can do. Tell me. Private integer add integer a integer b, or we can say num a, num1 and num2. Okay, what is that? Okay, oh sorry. Okay, so now, so what it will do, it will be return, just I try to get return only, return num1 plus, that's enough. Okay, same way we can copy and paste. Okay, so now subtract multiply and divide. Okay, okay, done. So now just I want to print, so console dot write line. What is this returning? Integer. Okay, but let's see, if you type console dot write line, then what they are expecting? What they are expecting? Yes, they are expecting string value. Okay, you in it, you long, so just say add. Now 5 plus 6 7, sorry, 5 comma 7. Okay, why we are getting this problem? And first of all, it is an object reference is required for non-static field. Method or property Badri add integers. So first of all, make it, because we are not going to create the object first. Okay, if we can create the object, then it is not a problem, but we are not making it into a class, we are using their own. Okay, so now add, done.
Why we have to give 5 some, it can be any number.
It will be any number, but currently I am passing some number.
We have to pass some number.
Yes, so just see.
Or if we pass any numeric, sorry, numeric only, alphabet.
Okay, no problem, just try. You, what is saying?
You will
Okay, so what you can do, just you can just see what is this. Cannot convert from string to integer. What you are trying to do?
We are trying to return integer.
No, what you are trying to do here, you are trying to pass string value, but it is expecting integer value, not the string value. So how it will be take it up? It will be give you the compiler error. Okay, same way you can do console dot write line. Okay,
So all these are getting recorded, right?
yes, 12 comma 7. Okay, sorry, subtract.
So for each output we have to give this.
Yes. Okay, multiply seven into 7 comma 8. Okay, and one is divide. Nine. Okay, just see the output. Getting? Hmm? Getting or not?
Rather than we are passing numbers here and providing method here, can't we directly enter this value here? Now instead of number 1, number 2, we can make it suddenly.
Here? Yes, we can do it. But what is the problem? If you are restricting, this method is to get the data from somewhere else. Why you? It means if you will give it 5 and 7 here, okay, equals to 9 equals to 7. Okay, so look, look here.
It is coming.
Hmm?
It is coming.
Yes. How? Because right now we are saying that okay, I don't want to give you any number. Okay, maybe my value will be null also, hence default also. So default you have to play 9 into 7. So you are assigning that here only. If you pass any number, let's say that if you pass in 5 and 6, 5 and 6, so multiply will be 30.
It is taking this value.
Yeah, if you pass, it will take that number. If you don't pass, it will take your default number. Are you getting? So this is the basic way to go with the console application. Okay? Getting or not?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So this is the basic way that how you can write these methods. Any method. Look here. It is a return type, and this is the input type. Okay, this is the return, void is the return type, and this is the input type, same as
Return type and all we have given.
what is the return type here, tell me,
String.
and what is the input type?
Get string.
Get string is the input type. What is the input? We are not passing anything. And what is here, what is the return type in this method, and what is the input type?
Number one.
Yes, so first of all we are declaring and what type of it is, and then we are passing. Okay, what is the input type?
Number 9. So we are assigning.
Default value we are assigning, but input type is number 1 and number 2 as integer value, and default value we are assigning number 1 equals to 9 and number 2 equals to 7, and this is return type is, yes, return type is integer. Now again same with the our divide also. Okay, what is the returning type? Return, we have to give return and whatever output we are getting, so it will be return your integer value only. It will be also return integer value, and it will be return a string value. Okay, and here these are the assembly which is required to run this application, because we are using some of the keyword which is available in our system. Let's see that console.writeLine, console.readLine, these all are available in our system. Okay, now this is the things. Same way we can yes, and program file is your entry point. In entry point, main is your method which is the entry point for this system. So that's the reasons, if you remove from here, no one can work, because entry point is main. Okay, you can call any methods, and after that, or that methods will call multiple application, that's not a problem, but entry point will be get fired. So let's see, just we are giving the breakpoint to each and every one, and let's see that who is going to fire first. Okay, this is the breakpoint. Look, which method is going to be fired first? First it will be fire main. In arguments, look, there are 0, nothing it is. So now, one by one, what is the sequence we have given? Based on that sequence only it get fired. Getting?
Yes.
Yes. So it's good.